Hello everybody, this is Johnny5. In this video, I'm going to show you Streamlabs. Streamlabs is an OBS program just like OBS Studio to live stream or record gameplay videos for your computer. I use it for live streaming mostly, but now I use OBS because it's a lot better program that runs smoother on less powerful computers. So here's the program itself. You have dashboard, you have themes, you have editor, you have the live screen. And it has just like what everything OBS has except for it has themes. So over here, show you CPU usage, your frames per second, drop frames, and all that other stuff on here. Now this is a free program. I'll show you the website in a minute where to get it. So you go on the internet, on the Chrome, type in streamlabs.com. Here is the site. Tells you more about it on here. And you hit download the beta. Let's download it and you set it up. But I'll make a video on how to set up your donations page for it. That'll be the next video after this. Some more about Streamlabs. It's a really good program, like I said before, for big computers. It has everything OBS has, just a little bit well made. Has these things as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Any questions, leave in the comments, and have a good day. See ya.